There are lots of questions about how to transfer money from your card to Cash App. So today, we are gonna learn about this topic and whether it is possible. Short answer, no. But why, you may ask? Well, let's check it together. First, let's go to our Cash App. Going to our homepage by clicking on the bottom left icon, we can see many options. One of them are link your Cash App to your bank account or debit card. But either ways, if you try any of them, you'll find that linking your EN card to Cash App is not available. Even if you try to bypass that and turn around it by trying to click on Add Credit Card, you'll find that it's not quite possible yet. So basically, adding your EBT card to Cash App is impossible. Sorry for the bummer, but it's okay. Cash App has lots and lots of ways to link accounts to it still. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.